Allah commanded in the Quran, be with those who are truthful. And that command is generally for all kind of people, either they are liars, or either they are truthful, or either they are honest, or either they are deceiver. Either they are straightforward, or either they are hypocrites. It is for everyone that to choose the best of your companions. That's a command in the Quran. And even the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and all the prophets, they always taught to people to be with the good people and stay with the people with the good influence. So it's very important for us to always to choose the people who are good people, righteous, kind, generous, truthful, and honest. Because your companions always influence in you, either good influence or a bad influence. Especially, it's very important for us to know who are the companions of our children. Because if the children get the good companions, these good companions will teach them to be good. And if the children get the bad companions, then these bad companions will teach children to be bad. Even whatever you can keep on feeding to the children, good teachings, good attitude, everything, and they can easy to be changed and manipulated by the bad people who are their friends. So very important for us as parents to we should know who are the friends of our children. And we need to always make check and balance, the bad friends to kick out and the good friends to keep in. That's very important for us. Prophet ﷺ said, be careful of your companion, because the person always follow his companion. And those people who are really strict already with a good attitude, and now they get close to the bad attitude people with intention to influence them. That's a good thing. So either you are an influencer or either you are a person to be influenced. So we need to be checked in which category we are. Are we the one who can easily to get influenced, or are you the one we are capable to influence other people on us? So that's very important for us. We really need to worry about it. Who are our friends? Who are our companions? Even you are in the school or you're in college, choose the best people to be close with. You are working in a company and you have many colleagues in your company, be careful that you are going to be close with the good people. Sometimes you friend with the bad people and they are criminal people. And you will be in a hot water when they are doing a crime and you are their companion, you will be also involved in the punishment. So we need to be very careful wherever you are. Always choose the people who are good people. Those who believe in one God, those who are not idol worshippers, those who are not harming other people, those who are not taking drugs or selling drugs, those who are not taking alcohol or selling alcohol, giving alcohol to other people, those who are not smokers, those who are not with bad attitude like lying, cheating, breaking the word of honor, backbiters or gossipers. Avoid the bad company. The more we avoid the bad company, more we are protected with the bad attitude.